Hello everyone, all my YouTube friends. Today I'm going to share how I um, put this Dendrobium Anosmom into this. I found this in my backyard, so I bring it in and first I boil with water. No, first I wash with Clorox. Then I boil with water. Then I put it in my oven. Just put it in the oven for a week, because usually inside the oven is dry. So I dry it thoroughly. So it's completely disinfected and ready to put my plants in. So I'm gonna put it in this side. Maybe like this on this side, and I'll put a hanger here. You can see that I used to have it like this hanging. First I put it in a container, then I see it's not working because it's keep growing new growth from inside the container. So you can see that new growth is everywhere. See this? So I bring out from container and keep it like this, and it's give many new growth. And this is kind of like not in a right way to keep it. It's not going to get very much support or and caring its need. So I thought I'll stake it, and then if any new growth come from anywhere, it can come out. So I'm going to use this one. I had one fishing line, but I could not find it. I lost it somewhere in my stuff. So it's okay. I'll use this one and stick it in this. It's all right. It's going to be looks a little bit weird, but it's okay. This will hold it together. So I'm not going to keep you all waiting in this, because it might take a long time for me. So I'll come back when I see that I am close to finishing it. So hold on tight. Okay guys, so you can see I clean up everything and sort things out and arrange it here. And I cut off every part of dead stuff. All the dead stuff I cut and put everything here in an arrangement. And now I'm going to put the wrapping around. So I'll be back after I wrap it. Okay guys, look at this. I did it. Now it's all looks organized and better. From now on I'll watch it, and if need to be change anything, in this I'll just wrap it around maybe little more if it is necessary. So this cane, this cane have a growth in both side, both end. So I put it in, and this I leave it like this, and this is the longest cane, and all the cane I put it down like this, and I'll stake it here. I mean, put hook in here, and this is it. Looks good, I hope. Let me know how I did it, how you like it. Maybe next year this will bloom. This year it didn't bloom because I could not make it settle. So finally I did it. Thank you very much. Bye.